manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, 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 left the city.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxslay and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this hair that was sent to me from FridayNightHair.com. I absolutely love this company. I actually haven't worked with them in a while. So this is their GLS277 and I have it in the color 1B. Alright, so this is what she is looking like right now. As y'all can see, I have already installed the unit and all that jazz. So if you want more deets about this unit, you know, like after I've installed it and all of that, go ahead and just jump over to the end. And if you want to go ahead and see how I installed it, then just go ahead and continue watching and I will see you guys in the end.
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, 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 left the city.
You got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when the holla boy, I could only mean one thing. And I know when the holla boy, I could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city.
I left the city. You got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need my love? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing. And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing.
Alright you guys, so of course this is the final look. So just a few things that I do have to say about this unit before you guys go ahead and purchase. Now this unit is super freaking affordable. It is a synthetic unit mixed with a human hair type of blend. Now this hair retails for about $49.99 I believe. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's $49.99, so about $50. Okay, their shipping is super freaking fast, so you will get your wig within a week for sure if you go ahead and purchase this unit. Now this unit, I would describe it as kind of like a beach type of curly bob thing going on right now. I did apply some mousse, so that's why it kind of has that look to it right now. It looks a little choppy right here just because I did go ahead and cut the unit, so you just have to kind of like make sure it looks straight like so. But when I initially put the unit on, as you guys can see, the front was way longer and I just wasn't feeling all of that, and it looked a little too wiggy for me, so I just went ahead and did a part in the middle. I applied my makeup to the parting space and voila, like this unit was so easy to put on. I absolutely love their new construction because it actually comes with like an adjustable strap. So that I freaking love about their new construction, and it is your standard construction, so it has 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back. You have your adjustable strap, and you also have that band in there as well that helps for extra security. Okay, now this unit, it does tend to shed a lot, and I did get a lot of snags with it, but like I said, like I always say, if you're a returning subscriber, if you are buying a synthetic unit, you can't have this like big high expectation of it. You are gonna have some cons in there, so there are gonna be some things that you may not like about the unit. But other than that, I mean, it's not like super bad. Honestly, I feel like if you apply water and you apply some mousse, it is a little bit easier to manage, of course. Okay, so this is what she is looking like, y'all. I'm absolutely in love with this. I think this is super cute. What do you guys think? Okay, so you do get a lot of parting space with this as well, and then if you want to do like a flip over method, you can do that as well. And then I also feel like you can pluck this unit if you want more like a natural type of look, so you can do like the flip over method. You can definitely pluck this unit. I just didn't have the time or the patience to pluck this unit today, and honestly I think how it looks right now is super freaking cute. I don't tend to wear my curly units like apart in the middle, so I figured let me go ahead and try this out. Other than that, I think it's super snazzy. Okay, so let me just back up so you guys can get the full effect of what's going on. So if you do like big hair or big curls, like this is the unit for you. I don't think it's like too big, and I don't think it's like too dense. Like the density of it, I just absolutely love it. I don't think it's too thick. I just think it's really perfect for like that full type of curl look, and then you're not really like way out here. All right, and then this is beginner friendly. Like you really don't have much to do with this unit. I did, however, go ahead and use my spray here to kind of tint the lace. So I did use this before I actually cut the lace, and you can get this at Amazon, or you can get it at your local Walgreens or Target or Walmart, any of that. Like, you can find this anywhere. Literally, it's like Airbrush Legs by Sally Henson, water resistance, and I have it in the color medium glow. Okay, so if you want to know what color it is, I have it in the color medium glow, and this is what I used to tip my lace, honestly, because I mean, it's a synthetic. There's no way that you're gonna actually be able to bleach the unit, like the knots. I mean, you probably can, but the curls aren't gonna look the same afterwards. I'm just saying, okay? So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that review. And before you leave my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, help your girl reach 15K so I can do another wig giveaway for you guys, all right? So I will see you guys on my next video.